Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of BingX and how you can maximize your trading experience with the BingX referral code CHUCHU. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, using this referral code can unlock a treasure trove of benefits tailored just for you. So, what exactly is BingX? It's a cutting-edge cryptocurrency exchange that not only offers spot trading but also a range of innovative trading features like copy trading, futures trading, and more. This means you can trade your favorite cryptocurrencies with ease and even gain insights from top traders. Now, let's talk about the compelling reasons to use the referral code CHUCHU. First and foremost, by entering this code during your registration, you'll gain access to exclusive bonuses and promotions designed to enhance your trading experience. This might include reduced trading fees, special discounts, and even bonus funds that you can use to trade without risk. But that's not all. Using the referral code CHUCHU connects you with a vibrant community of traders. You don't just trade in solitude, you join a network where you can share strategies, insights, and tips with fellow crypto enthusiasts. This community can be invaluable as you navigate the often tumultuous waters of cryptocurrency trading. Additionally, with BingX, you get access to advanced trading tools that can help you make more informed decisions. Whether it's real-time charting tools or market analysis features, having these resources at your fingertips can significantly enhance your trading strategies. And remember, these tools come with even greater costs if you miss out on the perks provided by the referral code CHUCHU. Lastly, your journey with BingX can be both rewarding and educational. They provide a plethora of learning resources, tutorials, and support to ensure you keep growing your trading knowledge. So, don't forget to use the referral code CHUCHU to make the most of these advantages. In conclusion, using the BingX referral code CHUCHU is not just a wise choice, it's a gateway to a fuller, richer trading experience. Sign up today, enter the code, and embark on your crypto trading journey with all the powerful tools and community support at your disposal. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more insightful videos. Happy trading!